third gen Camaro fans, here's one for you to take a look at. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Nice looking coupe, obviously CC1 RPO code for T-tops or glass removable roof panels. They are glass, you can see in the still pictures. I got pictured in and pictured out, so you'll be able to check those out in the still pictures, interior, undersides, all of that. And I'll tell you where to see that here in just a bit. Now, this particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I can't tell that there's been any paint work on this car. 23,000 and some odd original miles. There's no readings over that on the Carfax either. Judging by the tires, the size of them, the brand that's on there, appears that it has the original tires on it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take a close look at this car, look at the underside, look at the interior, check out the engine bay, and see what you think. But to me, judging by whatever I've seen, from the odometer to the Carfax to the car itself, original mile car. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too at 507-386-1726. Now, let's take a look at this front fascia. Now, you also have to remember, this is an 86. So is the paint going to be perfect on it? No. But man, considering the age of it, very, very nice. There is a few spots you can see, a little bit of a touch-up right there. And of course, just a little bit from a curb. But overall, man, wait till I show you the interior. And like I said, check out those underside still pictures. Powered by a 305 V8 underneath there. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I've not had the AC compressor kick on for me. May need to be recharged, but nicely equipped car. Of course, that 305 is paired up with an automatic with overdrive, so you got a 700 R4 automatic transmission. Riding on the correct Z28 wheels that this would have came with. Of course, this is the original color. 81 would be the paint code on this, bright red. And again, I do not see any paint lines that are obvious, any sort of overspray, anything like that. We do welcome third-party inspectors. If you wanted somebody else to come take a look at this, if you can't, give you their opinion on it. I think they're going to see the same thing I am. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. But just look up and down the passenger side of that car. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Starting to see a few of these third gens come out and about with some lower miles on them. Take a look in the rear here. It does still have the GM T-top bag. I have the T-tops in there strapped into place. I'm going to show you the gaskets over here on the driver's side too, and just show you how they look. And again, you can see all that in the still pictures, from those gaskets, the underside, the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, and I don't think these gaskets have been replaced. These look like factory gaskets. They're still pliable. They're not rotted, cracking, anything like that. You can see how clean it is too. It has not sat outside. You're not getting any sort of rusting coming out through them. But these have to be original. Still, look at, they are pliable. And again, close-up pictures of that on our website. Now, I'm gonna see anything else I want to say before we check out the interior. You know, just the fact, take a look up and down this driver's side also. Not full of nicks, dings, and scratches. Are you gonna find one here or there that's maybe been touched up? Seen one back here. And if I could even get it to show up, right there you can kind of see it. But you can also see the reflection coming off that paint of our showroom behind me. The red paint still has a nice gloss to it. All right, I'm gonna take a look at this. First of all, door panels. How many times you see these fading out, or you'll start to get oil from skin, dirt, grime kind of built up and kind of flattening out the nap of the fabric. Not in this case. Look at how clean that armrest and door panel is. And let's come down here and look. look at how clean the seat still is as far as wear, tear, anything like that. Just one little tiny, and that's just in the kind of the roping there, if you will. But boy, you got to get up close on top of that really to even notice it. But look at that. This would be the original interior too, would be the black custom cloth interior. Power windows, power locks, remote mirror over here. Of course, tilt cruise, wipers worked fine, had those going, radio works, AM, FM cassette. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Another thing you notice, these sit out in the sun much. This really gets faded up in here, and sometimes these clear lens covers, if you will, or the lenses to the odometer, they'll start to kind of get a haze to them. They're just clear in this. Look at that, 23,000, 222 again. Everything appears actual mile car, from Carfax to condition to everything. Nice running. Let it idle down there. Check out the dash. Not cracked, not sun checked. This car is not sat outside much in its life at all. Again, a stereo. Power's right up. The other thing in these, and if you know third gen Camaros, you know what I'm talking about. How about this headliner? Where you start to see them peeling away here in the center a lot, in the backs, back around the sail panel. Sorry, it gets kind of glare on the video. You get some glare in there, but nice shape, not sagging, not peeling. There, that'll give you a good idea. All right, let's slip around to the back of this and hear it run. Doesn't appear to say major modifications to exhaust, you know, engine, no big cam, anything like that. Listen to it. Good sounding car. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second, pop this hood. One thing I did notice, the hood struts on the front are tired, not the ones on the rear. The glass top will stay up, that's fine. Hood struts are a little tired up front compared to the rear deck struts. So just want to mention that. Let me get this open, show you what I'm talking about.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, got a prop rod there. The hood up, like I said, not a whole lot to change those struts either, so don't let that be a big deterrent on this car. 5 liter, 305, smooth runner, power steering, power brakes, AC, like I said, may need to be charged. I've not had the compressor kick on or off. But smooth running engine. Engine bay is what you'd expect for the kind of miles in this. You don't have the surface rust. Lots of times you start to see up around the strut some. Something else that I noticed, you don't see any sockets that have been on these bolts on the front fenders. So again, no accidents indicated in the Carfax. It doesn't look like this front end's ever been worked on, anything like that. It's a nice running Z28. There you go, you're looking for a nice third gen 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Good looking bright red T-top car. Clean Carfax, low miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. And don't forget, like I said, open door policy to a third-party inspector. You want somebody to come look at this car, feel free to if you can't make it yourself.